Last night, people inside a New York subway station started hearing strange noises coming from deep inside the tunnels. But seconds later, the lights suddenly began flickering, and passengers saw a giant shadowy creature staring at them from the darkness. Witnesses say the thing moved across the walls at impossible speed before disappearing underground. Police shut down the station immediately, but leaked cell phone footage online has already terrified millions of people across America. And now everyone is asking the same question: what was really hiding beneath New York City?